What's up, guys? We're out here at Fabtech Expo in Orlando, Florida. We're here with Michael Furik, who's, as far as I'm concerned, the leader in the cup and all kinds of other cool stuff. Mike, tell us what we got going on.
So, every year we come out, we got lots of kits, lots of cups. We try to bring up something new to the industry. This year we're debuting the purge manifolds and the new big wire clipper. Purge manifolds, you can hook up to an argon bottle, you can run multiple purge lines. The important thing about these products is that you're saving time. You're going to be purging a bottle purging a line while you weld on another product because it takes time to purge. So use it wisely, use your time wisely. Time management is important. It offsets the cost of the units. So you're going to be saving time. You can run your trailers, you can run your purge, all on one unit. Also, dual regulators.
So one tank, right? One tank hooks up to here.
Yeah, you can run one tank. This unit will come with a regulator, and it'll run right to this, and you can run 3 off of the one regulator. So easy. You can mount it to your wall, put it on your table.
And this is actually a personal favorite of mine. I actually got one for Bill.
Got one of those for my daughter. My daughter has a
Trying to get them started young.
Yeah.
Little baby gloves.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, these started out as little displays, and then I was like, man, these would be great on like 4 or 5-year-olds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love that.
Super.
I got a 3-year-old. She plays with it all the time.
New gloves we got out, 5-inch cuff. These are by far my most favorite gloves. I was never a cuff fan, but now that I made these, this pad down here, this thing now has a thick double pad where you're laying it on. Super easy to get on and off. Quality, all Kevlar stitch, goat skin. We have the new MIG clipper cleaner. Basically, you're doing a lot of big parts, little small parts. You clip a lot, so when I start my MIG weld, it skips, it sputters. It doesn't start where I try to start because there's a oxidation on the end. And I hate using welpers. It's just time consuming to use 2 hands. So the machine just does it for you. Just run it through, start welding. It also cleans, it rotates and cleans, and it knocks the wire off and you're going. So no more searching for pliers and taking up time when you could be welding, reach over, run it through and keep welding instead of dropping parts and searching for pliers. Certain parts require something like that. It's just, some kind of solution for that. So.
Cool, man. Cool. Awesome. Well, thanks so much.
Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Have fun, everybody.
Thanks for watching.